Okay, here we go. 1 week delay. All for a dowel pin. This, don't know what a dowel pin is, it's this little tiny little part. This little part is absolutely necessary to keeping your heads and cylinders and everything like that on and in place. So I was only missing one. Somehow I lost one on the disassembly. But anyway, we back with Lucinda. We can finally take this plastic wrap off. And just didn't want to get nothing in the head. We can get back to it. We gonna finish putting it all together tonight. And then tomorrow, what we're gonna be doing is giving it a good wash and deep clean, as you can see, while it's still all broken down. Get her all icy before all the new stuff go on. So, man, let's get back to it. Let's get it in there. Man, this little goes right in there. Straight like that. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro on your head. For your KX450, you gotta have 4. Okay, so first let's get this intake cam out and out the way so I can get the exhaust cam, you know, timing and everything lined up, and then I'll do the intake one again. Cause it's not time right now. I don't know what's going on, what I was doing, but oh shit, time in my way, y'all. Got that one on. You can see the line right there. It's lined up with the head. Where that yellow mark is right where the line is. There's another yellow line on this one too, where the mark is. Right there. Struggled a little bit, but as you can see, that's about right where that mark. It's about right where it needs to be. It's about right where it needs to be, and we're gonna double check by counting the pins. Should be 29 pins. I gotta double check the manual. I think it's from this one right here above the yellow line to the one that matches up with that, if I'm guessing. So let's see. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so the valves are in spec and everything is, timing marks is good. So now we gotta put the chain tensioner back in. And since we pulled it out, we're gonna have to retension it. And to do that, you gotta do this. Get a little screwdriver like so and turn it. But that's like spring loaded, so you gotta hold it. You gotta turn it, hold it while it's in there. Push, there we go, it's all the way compressed like that. Hold it while it's in there. Push it in, get the screws in there. Tighten the screws in. And then you release this. They have a little clip that's supposed to go in there. Mine, of course, doesn't have it, but hopefully I can get this thing in there like this. So, about to see. Let's do it. Oh no, need a rag. Damn it. Oh. So the chain tensioner is on there successfully. And we got tension on our chain. And as you can see, our marks lining up. Little dot right there. A little line. It's in the shadow a little bit, but right there. And our timing mark in there. Still lined up also. So now I'm gonna turn the bike over. So you gotta do like 2 good revolutions to verify you're still top dead center, and then put the valve cover back on. Let's do it. Turn the bike over. Everything's still lined up. Top dead center, top dead center, top dead center. Okay. Now we can put the valve cover on and put our covers on here. Put our valve cover on, put these covers on, and we'll be finally ready. Not to start it, but I want to do a deep clean first. Well, I don't know. It's been so long. I might want to try to start it first and then do a deep clean on it. We'll see. But it's 4 in the morning. I'm about to get some C's. I'm about to go to sleep. Well, let me get this valve cover on and then we can go to sleep. Brand new gasket, fresh out the wrapper. I tell you that. I did scrape off gasket material, so I guess we just gonna figure out if we need gasket material or not. Hopefully not. All right. It's been another week. But now I think I had everything I need to finish the top end on the 450. Out with the old gasket, and this is the new one that we were waiting for. And I had some gasket maker on hand. I cleaned up the head. Got all the old gasket maker off of it. New gasket ready. new spark plug ready. So let's get it done. I just really noticed some discoloring on my cams. If anybody knows if that's, I know that happens from overheating or heating up too much. Is that a concern or is that normal? Somebody let me know. But anyway, we about to put the 450 back together. Still got a lot more to do, but at least the top end will be done. And we should be riding within a week. So, here you go. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put the spark plug in, just so it doesn't interfere with the new gasket that's going in, which ain't a big deal, but it's just, you know, I'm gonna do it first. If you don't already have any magnetic spark plug sockets, go get some. You get them on Amazon for pretty damn cheap. And this one is pretty good. Here we go. Okay, so the next step, we have to put down some gasket maker. And the best way to do it is like put down the gasket maker. Let it sit for a little bit to let it like cure a little bit, and then put it on there and torque and tighten everything down. You don't want to like kind of mess with it when it's too fresh and wet. You want it to, like, you know, be settled just a little bit. The way they had it before, they had the gasket maker under the gasket on top of that, and then some more gasket maker on top. So I'm gonna do how it was before. Brand new out the package, genuine Cowie, of course. Here we go. Always want to make sure your gasket surface is nice and dry and clean. I wiped all the old oil and stuff off so it gets on there good, but it's gonna be a little bit of a task getting it on there and with all this stuff around, but we'll get it. And this is what I use, Ultra Black Permatex. I'm gonna put the gasket maker on the actual head and then put it on. I think that'll be a little easier and better. Got gasket maker on the edges. I think it would be better. It was because I didn't want to have to put it on top of the gasket again. That was kind of hard. So let's get her back on. Okay, after almost 2 months, 1.5, however long, I think is, I don't know, I count and see, but it was a long time. My 450, first time doing the top end on a dirt bike, especially a 4-stroke, is done. Finally. Let's hope I did good. Send a prayer for me. So I just want to get back to riding. I got a lot more work to do, but at least the top end is done, and I can basically plug any holes that are open, which is the only holes that are open are the radiator holes. So I'm gonna plug those and then get the bike clean. We're gonna do a deep clean, like See all that? Deep clean. Deep clean. It needs it. We're gonna try to get all that taken care of. So yeah, that's the next step. But I still gotta do my rear brakes. I got a new steel braided brake line, and a bunch of other parts. We got all these new parts. Some more parts over there. Oh, I didn't show it too much. That was a sneak peek. If you've seen it, you've seen it, but I don't want to give too much away what I got going on or what's the plan, but here. Okay. We are cleaned up and back in the garage with Lucinda. And as we showed before, we're gonna show again. She's a lot cleaner than she was before. Didn't get as clean as I thought I would, but still satisfied with the turnout. Clean as 2014, you gonna see. But we turn around, we have a lot of parts to put on. Okay, so here we go. Out with the old. In with the new. Well, really it's out with the dirty, in with the clean, because it's really just, the one I got is used, and it's just clean. But I'm gonna use this as an example to see how to get everything on the right way. Where all the clamps go, where all the hoses go. Then we can have some coolant in there, we'll be able to put oil in there, we can test it. Test the bike and see how we did in that top end. Let's do it. Like we said before, out with the old and crusty and dent it up. in with the new icy. And not so didn't. It's still a little bit, but you can't even tell if I don't really point it out. Nice clean hoses and hardware. All the clamps is nice and clean. Brand new drain hose. Brand new Tusk radiator cap, 1.6. Brand new louver. Sheesh. Radiator looking good. Now let's get it on the bike. Here's the other one too. This louver is like new. I haven't even had it on. Well, I had it on for a while, but I take care of my stuff, so it still look new. Okay, so it's time to bleed the brakes. I don't even try the old-fashioned way no more. I just use this cheap bleeder I got off of Amazon. I done used it 100 times. It still works. I had it for like 2 years. Bleeded all kind of brakes, especially with empty brakes like this. Oh no 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 no! Not I. Brand new, completely dry brakes. Not I, says the cat. Not me. Have to keep an eye on it. It still ain't hard to do even when you by yourself. Damn, that's too much though. Hook it up, keep the zip tie on there. That keeps it a good, you know, a good tight seal with the zip tie. That's all you need. I think that was it right there. Gold all on my wrist. Gold all on my wrist. That was it. if I can squeeze this in.